Trenton, look at what Riley has. Mr. Potato Head. It's Mr. Potato Head, Trenton. Trenton. Oh, what happened to his ear? Put it back in there. Oh, put the ear back in there. Oh, you're going to take the other one off, huh? Take it off. There you go. Yep. Yep, and those go back in it. Do you want to show them, Riley?